This. Hey, what? This? That's what this is. This is Tika. Ew, it's Aki. We need to wash it. Look, it's Aki. Miles has got hair all over it. We gotta wash it.
What are you doing? You're disgusting, cheat. Bye, Chica. Do this. Do this.
I'm calling at home. Thought she'd answer their thing.
She doesn't have a house phone.
She does.
That doesn't work.